So again, we're looking for stuff that we can repurpose. These windows, they're just too old. They are Hurricane style. They're probably Hurricane style from the 1980s though, which there's a lot of differences in the technology. This is another vanity that we'll take out, that somebody painted that, it's green color. We'll take it to our shop and we'll sell that. Yeah, these are, these are lights mounted on the wall for each side of the bed. When the master bed on this would have had to have very tiny nightstands if this was a king size bed, because a king size bed's just barely going to fit here. So they built these because on the little tiny nightstands they wouldn't have room for a lamp. So are they worth anything? No.